What do you mean by self-incrimination?
Self-incrimination is where you say something that can later be used against you to ground a prosecution against you. So whenever the police are about to interview someone, they should always warn them that what they say could be used against them later in criminal proceedings. That warning should be given, and that's a constitutionally recognized warning. It's the Miranda warning from 1966. You should tell them in advance that whatever they say next in answer to the question that's been put to them could be used against them in criminal proceedings down the line.
Which type of crime does not require mens rea?
That would be a strict liability crime, and those are ones where you're guilty of it regardless of your intention. So driving without insurance, doesn't matter, you didn't intend to do that. If you're caught and stopped, you'll be found guilty of driving without insurance. I don't care about the excuses so much. Same with offenses like buying alcohol for people who are under 18. You can't afterwards say, I didn't know they were under 18. It's a strict liability offense. You did it, therefore guilt is proven by that in court. Having sex with someone who's underage, again, it's no defense to say I didn't know that. It's again a strict liability offense. If the act takes place, then the offense is made out. That's pretty much it.
What does causation mean?
It's the relationship between the action and the ultimate outcome. So in civil law and criminal law, the punch to the person's face might in some circumstances might not cause an injury, but in other circumstances it could. So if the punch causes the person to have a broken jaw, well, that's causation proven. If it hadn't been for that punch, that jaw wouldn't have been broken. In civil law, it's pretty much the same thing. The event caused the outcome. In both civil and criminal jurisdictions, that's what causation means in its kind of barest terms.
Which standard of proof is required in all criminal cases?
The standard of proof in all criminal cases is beyond a reasonable doubt. That's the standard of proof in criminal cases in every democracy around the world. And there's a reason for that. Because if the case is to be made out against you, the sanctions are severe. The sanctions, if a case is made out against, if you lose a criminal case, the sanctions could include jail. And every democracy, every constitutional democracy takes the view that jail as a sanction is the ultimate sanction, just short of death. So if you're going to send someone to jail, you really have to be sure, very, very sure. It's not a kind of a flip of a coin, you must be sure. And that standard is beyond a reasonable doubt. There can be no reasonable doubt in your mind as a judge before you sentence a person.